Greetings from the rainforest. Never has a place been more aptly named. Every day is a rainy day in the scenic Valley of Thundra, but Iago and Abu seem to be having fun. By the way, Abu met with an unfortunate accident. But nothing to worry about. As for Iago, let's just say there's a tropical heat wave steaming up his heart. But Thundra is so swamped with a weather gig, Iago can hardly keep up.
Thundra! Un momento!
Patience, my lovebird. Hail, sea, sleet, sea, howling winds, sea.
Advanced aerobics! See! Done already? Thundra, dear?
Not used to a hard day's work, eh, Giblet?
You think running Agrabah isn't hard work? Without me around, the Sultan wouldn't know how to tie his turban in the morning.
Abu! If the all-powerful Iago is here, how will the kingdom survive? There'll be panic in the streets!
Do you mind? I have a certain image I'm fabricating here.
At least Iago can take a vacation and leave his royal responsibilities to others.
Yeah, Raja will have to clean his own litter box this week.
Come on! Who couldn't do your job? You line up the clouds, chirp out the cities, and win!
Iago, mi amor, it is not so simple.
What could be so difficult?
Once my weather powers belonged to another, one who abused the powers. I defeated the fiend to save my rainforest home. Once I took the medallion from him, I understood that its power had a purpose.
What purpose? You make it rain.
The world's weather is an intricate web of natural forces, and everything I learned I put in this book.
Okay, so the last guy who had the job couldn't cut it, and you're a natural.
It's not the job, it's the responsibility. Not everyone can handle so much power without being corrupted.
You're talking about me, aren't you?
If the implied insult fits.
Thundra, I am responsibility. You can take a vacation. I'll fill in.
A little time off in the sun. Just for the weekend, maybe.
Thundra, take a 3-day weekend. I'll run the show.
Oh, Iago, you are so sweet, but... Oh, mi amor. Absolutamente. I'll do it. Now listen closely. You'll read the weather reports from my book and command the clouds to take their precipitation from the filling station to...
Oh, Thundra, will I get to wear the rainbow tail? I mean, having magical powers is fine, but looking good on the job, that's priority number 1!
Iago, dear, I am trusting you.
Come on, you're crushing my wing.